There was a time when little boys and girls were kept away from any instrument. You can see that the time has changed. Instead of keeping boys and girls of your age away from using instrument of ICT, they are encouraged to use those instruments. Assalamu alaikum, student of class 6. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alum Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to discuss about how you can use computer, printer and modem safely and fearlessly. So let's get started. Those who manufacture computer know it well that today not only the adults but also the young children use computers. So all computers are made in such a way that there is no danger or health risk in using them. The only thing about which everyone needs to be careful is the electric connection of the computer. Desktop computers always need electric connection, and laptop computers need electric connection only during the time of charging the battery. We can feel the electricity when its voltage is more than 50 volts. The voltage of electricity flow in our country is 220 volts. So we will feel a strong electric shock if the electric wire touches our body in any way. Signals are sent from our brain through the nerves to make our heart beat or to move hands and legs by using our muscles. You will be surprised to know that these are electric signals which are very low. When a person gets an electric shock, huge electricity flows through his or her body. From the brain gets suppressed by this strong electric flow. So a person cannot move his hands and legs when he becomes electrocuted. If it lasts for a long time, his heartbeat may stop. So electric connections should never be neglected. We cannot do even for a single moment without electricity in present age, but we should use electricity carefully. We always need to use the right socket and the right plug in using electric connection. We should never give electric connection from an open wire by removing its plastic and then entering the plug. We must also stop anyone who does this type of work. When the electric connection is proper, we need to be careful about only one more thing regarding the computer. We have already mentioned that a processor of a computer may sometimes become very hot, and so nowadays separate fans are set on a processor. Other ICs of motherboard may also become hot, so the inside temperature of a computer may be much higher than the outside temperature. So fans are set in every computer to push out the hot air from the computer. This fan pulls in air from outside and pushes out hot air from inside. When you use a computer, find the passage for inlet and outlet of airflow. You need to ensure that airflow is never be blocked. You will be able to use your computer for a long time if you remain careful about this matter. You might have heard some people saying that there should be an air conditioner in the room for using computer to keep the room cold. This is not at all true. Your computer can tolerate a much higher temperature than you can. Maintenance of ICT instrument. Now cleaning of the monitor. At present, most of the computer monitors are LCD or LED monitors, and it is better if you do not try to clean them. Its surface is not made of glass, so there may be scratches if you try to clean them. Not only this, the pixels inside the monitor may be damaged if you rub during cleaning. However, you can clean the CRT monitor with a soft cotton cloth if it becomes dirty. If it still remains dirty, then you can put a little glass cleaner on the cloth to clean it. If the glass cleaner is not available, you can prepare an alternative glass cleaner by mixing 1 spoon of vinegar with a glass of water. Water or liquid. It is better not to keep water or any types of drinks near the computer while using it, because if the water or any liquid suddenly falls on your computer may be damaged. Water or any other drinks is conductive. If it enters into the computer, there may be a short circuit. If such type of incident happens, switch off the computer immediately and keep it under a fan for a long time so that the water is evaporated. Dusts. There is a lot of dust in our country. The fan of a computer draws in air. There may be some dust in that air. The computer may become very hot if the airflow gets blocked with dusts. So, you should frequently check whether there are dusts over that passage. Clean the passage if it is dirty, but never try to open a computer for cleaning the inside. Cleaning keyboard. It is good to clean the keyboard often because germs may spring up there as it is used with our fingers. Keys can be rubbed with a piece of dry soft cotton cloth, and the surroundings of each key can be cleaned with a cotton bud. After this, you can make it upside down and give a few mild jerking, and the keyboard will be fairly clean. Cleaning mouse. At present, almost all mouses are optical mouse. It functions when light is reflected. So, if the lens of a mouse becomes dirty, it may not work properly. If dusts accumulate in the mouse, detach the mouse from the computer, turn it over and clean the dirty spot with a cotton bud and then rub with a soft cotton cloth. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class, I will discuss about software maintenance and health hazards and consciousness regarding ICT applications. Till then, goodbye.